Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great and welcome to this, daily update almost on Onyxcoin. We're going to do a full update. I mean, the markets right now are still a little bit shaky, a little bit unstable, but what we talked about yesterday as well is still the case, and that is that XCN is still quite uncorrelated to the markets. We did see some strong recovery, but again, I mean, the recovery yesterday from XCN was actually also fueled by bullish market circumstances. But overall, we saw some different things with XCN yesterday that I wanted to talk about, which I would say are bullish, but it's a bit of a good news, bad news situation, right? Because to get right into XCN right now, I do think like the price right now looks much better than yesterday. Yesterday we were like, if you take a look at this before I made the video, this was a clear downtrend, right? And it was a clear downtrend with a strong support level right here between 2.5 and 2.25. So that was good. But technically, this is a downtrend. You can see we had we were consistently making lower highs. You can see we were below the trend band right here, which we had held until Saturday. And then, fortunately, what we did is we actually managed to reclaim that level. And we haven't really made higher highs yet, so that's not great, but I do think we have made, at least on the lower time frames, higher lows. So that's a good thing, and we broke above the trend band, we broke the trend line, which was respected. So ultimately good news, but the thing is that what I said yesterday for XCN, regardless of the fundamentals, because I do think that Onyx is pushing some good things, right? I mean, they were talking about the XCN ledger. They have new OIPs coming. So overall, there's a ton of activity, and there's a lot of major updates, and that development in combination with the community that's pushing it and the community around it, that's great news, and that can push the price up. But there, like everything I've said so far is bullish, all right? And I'm also leaning bullish on XCN right now. Whereas yesterday I was bearish, I know, but that's being a trader. I mean, if there's new information, if there's new price action, you have to be able to adjust. Otherwise, I will promise you will not be able to make much money trading. But I'm not sure if any of you are traders. So I am relatively more bullish on XCN. The one thing that kind of worries me though is that the volume right now is good, right? It's around $520 million. As you can see right here. But the volume yesterday actually reached a peak of about almost $700 million here at the top. And since then, it's been decreasing. And what I've always said, and what I still think, is that if you take a look at all the previous bullish moves for XCN, like all the bullish breakouts, all the real bullish moves, and then I'm not talking about these spikes up or these retests right here. We're always with increased volume, and we increase volume to actually break the downtrend. So that's a great start. But now to actually get some more bullish momentum going, I do think we need to see some sort of a volume increase again. And given the unstable nature of the market right now, I'm unsure if you can bet on that. And I would say purely technically, it actually looks a little bit more likely that XCN right now is consolidating between the main resistance level right here around 3.5 cents and then the main support level right here at 2.5 cents. So that's the situation. You can see strong resistance, strong support. Even though we have broken back above the trend band here, it is becoming relatively flat, and I can definitely see a future where the EMAs in the trend band will become flat, which would indicate a consolidation again. So if we know that this is a consolidation and we know that the volume is dropping down, I would just expect stability. And from that stability, sure, we can, so that would mean something like this. And from that stability, sure, we can actually get a bullish breakout. But like I said, the main thing I think you need to keep an eye on for that is the volume. And we really need like $700 million in volume to be able to break out and get towards 4 cents again. So can we do that? Yes. Do I think it's more likely we're going to get a bullish breakout than a bearish breakdown? Yes, as well. So I do think this is, when we're talking about a breakout, this is the most likely one, but at this point of time, everything is pointing towards stability and sideways movement. So I'll keep you updated on that. That's what I think you need to know for now. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, have a great day and bye.